Hey there, tech-savvy educators. Ready to dive into the fascinating world of EdTech frameworks? Trust me, it's not as boring as it sounds. We're about to make these theories as fun as a TikTok trend. Let's explore 8 powerful frameworks that'll transform how you think about educational technology. I promise to keep it real and relatable. Number 1, TPACK. Think of it as the perfect pizza recipe. You need 3 essential ingredients: technology, pedagogy, and content knowledge. Just like you can't make a great pizza with only cheese, you can't create amazing learning experiences with tech alone. Number 2, the rat model. No, we're not talking about actual rats. This is about how technology evolves in teaching, from simple replacement, like using PowerPoint instead of a chalkboard, to amplification, making tasks more efficient, and finally to transformation, creating entirely new learning experiences that weren't possible before. Number 3, activity theory. Imagine your classroom as a bustling ecosystem where tools, roles, and goals all dance together. It's like orchestrating a flash mob where everyone needs to know their part. Number 4, diffusion of innovations, or as I like to call it, the iPhone effect. Remember how quickly everyone wanted the first iPhone? That's how great EdTech practices spread, starting with early adopters who make it look cool. Number 5, constructivism and constructionism, fancy words for learning by doing. It's like teaching someone to cook. You don't just hand them a recipe book, you let them get their hands dirty in the kitchen. Number 6, communities of practice. Think of it as the EdTech Teachers Club. It's where educators share wins, fails, and awesome ideas. It's like having a professional Instagram feed, but for teaching strategies. Number 7, ecological systems theory. Picture ripples in a pond. What happens in your classroom is influenced by everything from school policies to national education trends. It's all connected, just like a giant educational spider web. Number 8, technological frames. This is all about mindset. How you view technology shapes how you use it. It's like having Instagram. Some use it for cat photos, others build entire businesses. Remember, these frameworks aren't just theoretical mumbo-jumbo. They're your toolkit for becoming an EdTech superhero. Whether you're just starting or you're already a tech wizard, understanding these concepts will help you create more engaging, effective, and exciting learning experiences. So which framework resonates most with you? Start implementing one today and watch how it transforms your teaching practice. If you're building a professional development model, a curriculum, or strategic plan for EdTech specialization, combining frameworks, e.g., TPACK plus activity theory plus communities of practice, often gives the most comprehensive picture.